ICCT stock analysis March 13th and onward. Should you buy now? I'm covering this in the next 1 minute. And after 5 years and tens of thousands of dollars on education and trading mentors, I figured out what's making money. So everything with proof is documented on my YouTube channel. But iCoreConnect stock is just such a bearish market. It's absolutely crazy. I mean, I've talked about plenty of times of this before, but the only thing that I'll really care about is probably one where if, yeah, like it's, I mean, I know like there's a lot of speculation about this thing, and I totally get it. Like, it's not that I don't get it. It's just that it depends like the game that you're trying to play. I know like most of the people are just looking at this for a potential 5, 10, like whatever X movement. From technical analysis standpoint of view, this looks awful. Looks awful. I'm not even trying to, you know, gatekeep or like really do anything else, but it just, you can see like my previous predictions is I wanted to see new lows getting made and cleared out, and that's exactly what we did. Now, unless there's like a big catalyst or the price starts shifting above this high or something like that, then it just, you know, I'm just not going to be bearish. I'm just not going to be bullish, and I really mean what I say. So I'm going to continue to keep you updated. I would probably stay away from ICCT, and if you want to make more money in a simple way in just weeks, click the first link in the description. There's a lot of sauce.